Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome to Bistégs TV, where we bring you delicious recipes. Today, we're making a breakfast favorite that's as easy as it is nutritious, healthy banana oatmeal pancakes. Imagine starting your morning with a stack of these fluffy, golden pancakes made from simple, wholesome ingredients. They're packed with fiber, protein, and natural sweetness, so you'll feel energized and satisfied. Here are the ingredients: 2 ripe bananas, 2 eggs, 3 tablespoons of powdered milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1½ cups of oatmeal, ½ tablespoon of salt, 1 cup water, and cooking oil. Got it? Cool. Let's go. Let's get started by grabbing 2 ripe bananas. Bananas are naturally sweet, full of potassium, and perfect for keeping these pancakes moist and flavorful. Go ahead and peel each one, then place them into an empty bowl. Now, to make them easier to mash, cut the bananas into small pieces. Once that's done, grab a fork and start mashing. You don't need anything fancy here. Just press down and keep mashing until the bananas are mostly smooth. A few small chunks are totally okay, as they'll give the pancakes a little extra texture and sweetness when they cook. Bananas are such a great ingredient in these pancakes, not only because they add natural sweetness, but also because they're packed with vitamins and fiber, which are fantastic for digestion and energy. With that all mashed up, we're ready for the next step. Just look at that creamy banana mash. This is the base of our pancake batter, adding both flavor and nutrition. Now that it's ready, let's move on to the next step and bring in the rest of our ingredients. Now it's time to add some extra goodness to our mashed bananas. First, crack in 2 fresh eggs. Eggs bring a rich flavor and a protein boost, making our pancakes even more satisfying. Next, add 3 tablespoons of powdered milk. This gives the pancakes a nice, creamy texture without needing regular milk. Then, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Vanilla adds a warm, delicious aroma that pairs perfectly with the bananas. Now, let's add 1½ cups of oatmeal. This is where our pancakes get their hearty texture and a dose of fiber to keep you fuller for longer. Finally, add ½ tablespoon of salt to balance the flavors. Just a little salt really brings out the natural sweetness of the bananas. With everything in the bowl, we're ready to mix it all together in the next step. All of these ingredients work together to make a batter that's both delicious and packed with nutrients. Let's mix them up. Now that we've got all our ingredients in the bowl, let's add 1 cup of water. The water will help blend everything together, giving us a smooth and pourable batter. Grab a spoon or a whisk and start mixing. Make sure to stir well so the oatmeal and banana combine with the eggs and milk powder, creating a thick, even consistency. You'll notice the batter starts to thicken as the oats absorb some of the moisture, which is perfect for making fluffy pancakes. Take your time here. Give it a good mix until you see all the ingredients are nicely blended, with no dry spots of oatmeal left. Once it's smooth and ready, we're going to let the batter sit for a minute or 2 to really allow the flavors to come together. All right, now our batter is all set, and we're ready to cook up some delicious pancakes. Letting the batter sit for just a couple of minutes makes a big difference. It allows the oats to absorb more moisture, which helps the pancakes cook up extra fluffy and delicious. Now we're ready to heat up the pan. All right, now it's time to cook. Heat a bit of cooking oil in an empty frying pan over medium-low heat. You don't need much, just enough to keep the pancake from sticking. All right, now that our pan is nice and hot, it's time to start cooking. Using a ladle, scoop up some of the batter and pour it into pan. Spread it gently to form a nice, even circle. We're going to let this cook on low heat for about 3 minutes. Cooking on a low setting is key here, allowing the pancake to cook through without burning. You'll see little bubbles forming on the surface. That's a good sign. The pancake will also start to firm up around the edges. This is how you'll know it's ready for a flip in the next step. Patience is key to getting that perfect golden color. After 3 minutes, grab your spatula and gently flip the pancake. Let it cook for another 3 minutes on the other side, still on low heat. Patience is key here to get that perfect golden brown color. This pancake smells so good already. That's it. Our healthy banana oatmeal pancake is ready to serve. Just look at that beautiful golden brown color. It's fluffy, nutritious, and absolutely delicious. You can stack them up on a plate and serve them with your favorite toppings, like fresh fruit, honey, or a drizzle of maple syrup. Trust me, they're amazing. Thank you so much for watching Bistégs TV. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Stay tuned for more. Thank you. Cheers.